Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. First of all, I'd just like to say a big thank you to everyone who liked and subscribed in the last video, very much appreciated. What I thought I'd do today is I'm going to get the bike out. It's a really lovely beautiful day today. I'm just going to get the bike out onto the driveway and go through a few more mods that I've done since my previous video on the small mods big difference video that I did last year. Fewer of them obviously, however some of them are quite significant. And I'm also going to be talking about tyres as well on the Goldstar. So please stay tuned and I'll get back to you once I've moved the bike out of the garage. Cheers.
Okay, so we'll start off with the little moustache on the front. I'm not sure if that was on before or not. That was just from the Trip Machine stuff that they sent through last year, which was good. In terms of the major changes, probably the biggest one is the chain. I found the original chain to be pretty poor quality, to be honest, and it did start rusting pretty easily no matter how much I tried to maintain it properly. So I decided to go for sort of the gold chain, which I think does go quite well with the bronzed engine casings, etc. I also got a little stick-on logo here, which I think is quite nice. I know it's probably not everyone's cup of tea, but there you go. So yeah, so I think it sort of hides the rather tacky stick-on 3 rifles that come with the bike. Now I did think about decatting the bike, but then I thought otherwise. I did get the short Tech baffle exhaust, the Tech short baffle. Probably can't see it in there, but that makes a significant difference in terms of the sound of the engine. It's not massively loud, but it just does give a little bit more authenticity. So this is probably the biggest cosmetic change, the tail tidy. Or putting the tail tidy on, rather, getting my words muddled up there. So yeah, so the tail tidy, and I did think about getting the Tech one, but then there were quite a few people on the internet who'd got one from AliExpress. It was 35 quid, so I thought I might as well. And to be honest, it was pretty easy to fit. And say, I know most of you probably know by now that I'm not the most techie of people, but even for me it was an absolute doddle. So yeah, it looks a lot smarter now, I think, in the back end. Again, it's one of these things that's personal preference, of course, but yeah, very pleased with that. I also repurposed an old camera bag as a tail bag, which I think does the job pretty well. And I also bought a cheap cycle lock from a helmet. I just got that off AliExpress or Temu, one of the two. But yeah, it does the job. Just holds saves lugging the helmet around, and it's just a deterrence really. Obviously someone could get in there relatively straightforwardly, but it's just a deterrence. And I say it's good if I go for a brew and the bike's parked within seeing distance, you can just stick your helmet on there. And in terms of mods, I don't think there's really much more that I've done. I don't think there's much more that I can do really. I replaced a little clock in the centre there. These don't last forever, but so when the last time I bought some, I bought about 4, so they get replaced every now and then. It usually runs about 10 minutes early, but it's more for the aesthetics than anything else. Just a bit of an update on the hand. Recovery is going really well. I had my operation 4 days ago, and you wouldn't think so looking at it and how I can move it. I can actually make a fist in it now, which is really surprising. So I'm hoping to get back out on the bikes some point next week, all being well. Start off on a short trip. One of the things I'm going to do on the Goldstar is replace the tyres. The bike's done almost 7,000 miles now. It's had its 7,000 mile service, And the tyres on the front, the Pirellis, they've got about a millimetre on them, not much more. So that made me think about changing them. Well, I suppose I've got to really. Interestingly, the front has worn better, worse than the back. The back still got a little bit more on. It's probably about 3.5 mil around about here. But in the centre, it's down to about 1.4. But I thought I might as well get them changed at the same time. And I ummed and ahed about which tyres to get. 3 choices that I narrowed it down to were go with the Pirellis again, because personally I haven't had any problems at all with the handling since I put the Hagon shocks on. So there was either the Pirellis, the BT46 Battlax, or the Michelin Road Classics, and I've been umming and ahhing for weeks now as to which tyres I'm going to go for, and I've decided to stick with the Pirelli Sport Comps. I know it's not everyone's first choice of tyre, but as I say, it's the old adage, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I think the bike handles really well with them, and I say, I think a lot of the handling issues that people have or people report is mainly because of the suspension rather than the tyres themselves. I'm sure there'll be lots of people who'll be quite happy to argue that point, but for me, obviously everyone's different, but for my height and my weight and the way I ride, these tyres are more than adequate. So yeah, so that's a quick walk round of the Goldstar and the extra mods that I've done. As I say, I don't think there's really much more I can do to it realistically. Oh, there is one other thing as well. I did I created a little pull there for rather than having to take this off all the time and either lose one of the lugs or don't put it on properly and it ends up sailing down the street. I did some little jiggery pokery there so I don't have to take this off every time I want to look under the seat. So yeah, so that's about it. Thanks very much for watching. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. It helps me enormously. As I say, I'm only a small channel, but growing nicely. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to watch the videos on my Small Mods Big Difference video if you haven't seen the original one, and I shall see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.